In this question, the unit vectors I and j are directed east and north, respectively. A cyclist rides from a point A with initial velocity of minus I plus j meters per second. He accelerates uniformly to a velocity of I minus 4j meters per second in 10 seconds. A. Calculate the acceleration of the cyclist. B. Find the time in which the cyclist is travelling due west. 20 seconds after leaving A, the cyclist is at point B with position vector 50i plus 50j meters. Find the position vector of A. So A is actually the starting point. Okay, so using the Suvat equations, but in vector form, so vector v is equal to vector u plus vector A times t. So initial final velocity is equal to the initial velocity times the acceleration times time. We're going to have I minus 4j, which is the initial speed, the final velocity in this case, which is I minus 4j, is equal to the initial velocity, which is minus I plus j, plus the acceleration that we need to find times 10, because it's 10 seconds. So collecting up the I terms, we're going to have 2I minus 5j is going to be equal to 10 times vector A, and therefore vector A, if we divide each of those by 10, we're going to get 0.2I minus 0.5j meters per second squared. Now we need to find the time which the cyclist is travelling due west. So at any time, the velocity is minus I plus j plus our acceleration, 0.2I minus 0.5j times t. So it's UAT from this formula here. So this gives me the velocity vector at any time t. We want to be travelling west, so that means that this bit here, the j components would have to be equal to 0. There'll be no vertical motion, there'll only be horizontal motion, and direction is given by the velocity. So collecting up the I components, so we've got 0.2t minus 1 of I, and then 1 minus 0.5 t of j. Just look carefully at that. So this bit we would want to be equal to 0, this component here. So what value t makes this part 0? Well, then we need to solve 1 minus 0.5t is equal to 0, which is going to give that 1 is equal to 0.5t, and then t is equal to 2 seconds. Then 20 seconds after leaving A, the cyclist is at point B with position vector 50i plus 50j meters. Find the position vector of A. So what we're going to do is find the vector AB or BA. So after 20 seconds, RAB is going to be equal to UT plus a half AT squared, using the Suvat equations. U, the initial velocity, is minus I plus j, and A will be 0.2I plus 0.5 j meters per second, and we're going to find here the vector AB, because it starts at A and we want to know where it is after 20 seconds. It is at B. So substituting in, we've got I plus j times 20, because it's 20 seconds, plus a half times my acceleration, which is 0.2I minus 0.5j, times my time squared. So this will give me 20I minus 20I plus 20j. Then we got a half times 0.2 times 20 squared, which gives me plus 40I. Then a half times minus 0.5 times 20 squared, which gives me minus 100j. Collecting up the components, that's going to give me minus 20 plus 40 gives me 20. 20 minus 100 gives me minus 80j. So going from A to B, the vector will be 20I minus 80j. But we require the vector OA, the position vector where we started. So how can we do that? Well, we could go from OA will be the same as going from O to B plus B to A, and we were given that OB is 50I plus 50j. Here we've worked out AB, so in order to find BA we need to do minus 20 minus 80, all in brackets, so that will give me 50 minus 20, which is 30, 50 minus 80, which gives me minus 150 J meters. So this has been a video to show you how to do kinematics using vectors. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.